Hey physics, welcome to the second semester. So this week we are going to start a mini unit about graphing. So Monday or Tuesday we're going to just kind of get into some of the vocabulary of graphing, things that you probably have maybe heard before but maybe not. It's going to be stuff that's going to be specifically useful for the kinds of experiments that we're going to be doing and the kinds of numbers we're going to be working with and relationships and things like that. So you'll start off with a Nearpod, and in the afternoon we're going to do a warm-up question about something in your life that is a direct relationship, meaning like that when one thing goes up, the other thing also goes up. The agenda is to review the Nearpod, and then there's a Google form for you to do by Friday that's going to review those vocabulary words and concepts one more time for you. So then on Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to be doing a slideshow in the morning about organizing your data. We want you guys to get a really good, solid foundation of how and why do we use graphs, what are all the parts, and all of that stuff, like what makes graphs work, you know? Then we're going to talk about inverse relationships for the warm-up question that day. And then on Friday, we're going to be looking at independent versus dependent variables, okay? So the next week we may do another lesson or two, or we may just go right ahead and do a review and a test. So we'll let you know as soon as we get that figured out. So, all right, see you guys soon.